My name is James Palm, and I'm the Short Courses Programme Leader at the Royal Central School of Speech and Drama in London. At Central, we encourage and celebrate playfulness, fun, and individuality of everyone who engages with us. We're a community who are dedicated to equity, inclusion, and how to facilitate the individual in finding their creative voice. The resources and voices you'll hear during the course are drawn from a wide range of cultural influences and heritages. Performance and acting is universal and part of all our heritages. It binds us together at times of tragedy and celebration. The course is aimed at those with an interest in developing their understanding of acting and the practical approaches used by professional actors. The course is for the beginner. You don't need any previous acting experience or training. The course might also be used to refresh and refocus the knowledge and skills, techniques of the more experienced performer. The content of the course includes some readings, videos to watch, and practical exercises. For some of the exercises, you'll need a working space that you're comfortable to make noise in and move around. You'll also need a notebook for journal entries. It's a good idea to keep a notebook to hand so you can make notes as you progress and engage with the content. In week 1, we'll focus on the key concepts of all acting. We'll ask the questions, well, what is acting, what is an actor, and what's actor training? You'll also have the opportunity to consider what makes you unique and celebrate what you have to offer as an actor. In week 2, we'll focus on the subjects of body, voice, and imagination. We'll explore how these aspects of the self are synthesized and integrated. We'll then look at how we might choose a monologue to work with in preparation for week 3. Week 3 will involve how we can apply techniques of analysis towards the rehearsal of our monologue. In week 4, we finish by refining the work on the monologue towards performance. During the course, remember, anyone can learn how to act. Also, keep in mind that you're unique and your acting will always be special because there's no one quite like you. We'll explore the notion of subjectivity and what makes certain acting choices effective. So, enjoy the journey, be open, be playful, and always find the fun.